let's move into the Excel functionality, right? So here we have our dashboard, and what I want to show you as your first example with Shay is we come down to a profit and loss. Okay, so what we can do is go into edit mode and edit this specific visual that we've had the AI create for us. Okay, and you got a lot of people who are zero people would find what I'm showing you here very familiar, because this sort of editing of a profit and loss correct is quite common, but it's also got the flexibility to do formulas. So Shay, I was going to show this example where we grab a few visuals. So if we grab pants and casual pants, right, and we group it and we name it, you know, pants. Well, this is just a basic example, is pants GP percentage, right? And then we can grab those pants from the direct costs and drag them up, and the direct costs from what casual pants, those ones, right? So now all of a sudden you can see here we're getting that margin flowing through, and then that's movable as well. We might move that above the sales line and drag whatever we want. It's all flexible.